Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is an update on the state of Lando. Well, it has begun. You can see it's already marking its spot. It is a Land Rover. But that's because I've been giving it the slathering. As you can see in there, it's all oil. Here, all oil. So I sold the rear bumper to a good friend, gave him a good price, gave him the homie price. But, like I said, it has begun. We're going to start to look at this exhaust pipe right here. It's looking in pretty good condition. Minor surface rust. This was the bolt that was holding in the bumper, and you can see it's still kind of golden. So, it has begun. Took out the entire interior today, or at least the lower half. The upper half we're probably going to keep in here. Oh wow, there's an echo. Yep, there's a little bit of an echo. Alright, so a lot of the hardware that we took out of here was still golden. It was still in good condition. So everything came out pretty good. Nothing really broke on the way out. Well, one thing broke. But we could see that this floor is rust-free, unlike Lando's. Lando's hole, giggity, it's right here in this area. And it went further. Traveled along here, up to over here, and one really cold winter morning, this weather strip right here stuck to the door, and when I opened the door took the weather strip. So we got a lot that we got to figure out how to do, guys, because I'm not a metal fabricator, I'm not a welder, but I gotta try and figure out how to get this little angle iron thing off here. It looks like a lot of it's kind of glued into place, but we gotta figure out how to get the floor. And from what I'm looking at, it is this entire piece. It is the entire thing. There's no seam over here. It looks like these were attached after the fact. Like we got the rivets and whatnot, so we're gonna leave that in place. But it's also the transmission tunnel. It's looking like it goes up to here as well. So I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I've never done metal work before. Well, let's go to the other side. This side, unfortunately, is wet. And you can see it's starting to rust a little bit. That's not because of the broken windshield. That happened. You can see that there's a leak on this side, but you may say, well, it doesn't have any sunroofs. Well, it's probably leaking in this corner right here, or in the upper windshield area. And you can see there's a nice crevasse right there for Gugats to get in. So that's probably where it's leaking. Right up in here somewhere. And the headliner tells the tale. So we got all the interior out, or most of it. We had to expose those guys right there, because those are frame mounts. We got another one right there. That's for both sides. There's quite a few mounts in this, but interior we're selling. We have a black interior, so we're going to sell the beige interior. It's in really good shape, so we're going to post that soon. Everything works, so I'm happy with. Well, I don't know about that clock. That clock has seen better days. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you an update on Lando. The event has started. The journey has started. Very good. It's going to be a freaking long one. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further Lando content.